Tired of annoying ads and sneaky trackers? Worried about malware hiding in pop-ups? Good news! There's a simple way to clean up your browser and stay safe online. Today, we are reviewing SurfShark CleanWeb, a feature that's built right into the Surfshark VPN. Let me show you how it works, how to use it, and whether it's worth it. Let's go. What is SurfShark CleanWeb? SurfShark CleanWeb is not a separate app. It's part of your Surfshark VPN subscription. You will find the basic CleanWeb version inside the Surfshark apps on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, Linux, and even smart TVs. The CleanWeb 2.0 version is available in the Surfshark browser extension for Chrome and Firefox. It works even without a VPN connection. Is CleanWeb safe? Yes, it's safe. SurfShark CleanWeb follows the same no-logs policy as the main VPN, and it's been verified through independent audits. The same applies to all Surfshark tools, ensuring losses can be traced to your account. The Surfshark ad blocker gives you extra privacy protection by blocking video ads, trackers, cookie pop-ups, phishing, domains, malicious websites. Plus, it stops data breaches and shows alerts if a site has been compromised. How does it work? CleanWeb is seamlessly bundled with Surfshark VPN subscriptions. It works using smart tools like DNS filtering, blacklist, IP masking, and encryption. The in-app version blocks ads and trackers, but it needs an active VPN connection. Just turn on the VPN ad blocker in settings, pick allocation, and you're set. CleanWeb 2.0. Prefer CleanWeb 2.0? It's even better. It works without a VPN and it blocks about 99.9% of ads. Just install the Surfshark browser extension, click the CleanWeb icon and switch it on. It even blocks ads in other languages, hides cookies pop-ups automatically, alerts you about malicious sites, helps with DNS leaks protection. You can customize what it blocks in the CleanWeb 2.0 settings. Test results. But does it really work? Let's talk test results. I ran the Can You Block It test. CleanWeb removed everything, including video ads, browser version only. It also scored high on the Cyber News ad block test and the Cover Your Tracks test. On mobile devices, it's a bit less effective, but still blocks most ads. Extra protection. Don't forget, CleanWeb is just one of the Surfshark tools. When you use it with the full Surfshark VPN, you get IP masking, kill switch, and encryption. Your data is safe while streaming, browsing, or torrenting. It boosts your overall privacy enhancement online. That's something a regular ad blocker just can't do. Pricing and plans. The best part, even the cheapest Surfshark plan includes CleanWeb. If you grab the 2-year subscription with the discount link below, it's super affordable. You'll get CleanWeb plus the full power of Surfshark VPN. Works on unlimited devices, even smart TVs and browsers. Final thoughts. Here's the bottom line. Surfshark CleanWeb is one of the best ad blockers built into a VPN. It protects your privacy, speeds up your browsing, and removes most junk from your screen. So if you're already thinking about a VPN, this is a smart bonus feature to have. Try it out and let me know what you think. Check the link in the description for the best price. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.